Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Aura frame is not turning on at all, it can be concerning because the screen stays completely blank and there's no clear indication of what's wrong. This type of issue can feel serious at first, but in many cases, it's related to power supply, connection problems, or simple setup issues rather than a complete device failure. Since Aura frames rely on continuous power to function, even a small interruption can prevent them from starting properly. The key is to go through a few important checks step by step to identify whether the problem is with the power source, the adapter, or the device itself. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix your Aura frame and get it turning on again without any confusion. Try these. Step 1. Check that the power adapter is properly connected to both the frame and the outlet. Step 2. Try plugging the adapter into a different power outlet to rule out power issues. Step 3. Disconnect the frame from power, wait for a minute, and reconnect it. Step 4. Inspect the power cable and adapter for any visible damage. Step 5. Press and hold the power button on the frame for a few seconds. Step 6. Check if the frame screen turns on and responds after reconnecting.